Hope everything is very clear for you. Very good. Perfect. It will be digital. All good. Great to hear from your side, guys. Please be on time, maximum by 9:05. Please be on time. Come on, any new member? Just we did only one demo session. So in the demo session, some of the facts I discussed about Python Django. Screen is clear? Screen is clear, everyone? Very good. So in the demo one, whatever the components I shared with you in the demo one, in this demo two, I'm going to provide one overview on the demo one components. I'll move forward with the demo two. Today is a second demo for you. Today is the second demo for you. In the demo one, what I discussed with you. In the demo one, I discussed with you what is Python, what is Django, and how this is working with web environment. Why use Python for web development? What is web framework? Python web frameworks, choosing a better framework. What is Django? So these are the points in the demo one level I discussed with you. That before, what kind of resources I shared with you. It is a real-time full stack Django course with free HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For technical queries, I provided my mail ID. You can drop a mail. Prerequisites for this course, Python basics. We are providing perfect placement assistance. This course is pure online with live examples. In-depth Django with live use cases. Django interview questions, reviews, assignments, marks. Django certification information dumps. Resume preparation for freshers, experienced and working professionals. Total duration of the course timings, weekly 5 days, course fee, contact administrative manager. This course is suitable to become Python full stack web programmer, where you need to see the content. For new batches information and for technical discussion, you are having here Telegram link. All resources you are getting through Google Classroom. Observe every non-technical point, mainly new members. Because 99% people you are asking me once a new batch started these kind of details. So these kind of details you are asking me that. Check it once. Chat box is always enabled. You have any question, please ping here. I'll take your questions into accountable and I'll provide all answers for you guys. Right, everyone? Come on, every non-technical information is clear for you. It is a real-time project-oriented Django batch. SQL, I'm teaching whatever you require, Dilip here. Thank you, Naveen. Come on, remaining. Yes. I'm providing the administrative manager number clearly existed. Still, people are asking me that. I'm providing. Every web environment level, Padamesh, every web level. Dheeraj, yes, happily you can learn. Happily you can learn, Dheeraj. Come on, remaining members. real-time full stack Django course. Right. Demo 1 overview I'm providing in the demo 2. Let us start without any delay. What is Python? What should I say about Python, my dear? There is no words. What should I say about Python? There are no words. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Like Python programming, like Python simplicity, like Python less lines of code, no other technology existed right now in the industry. Almost Python doing marvelous job right now in the industry. Marvelous. One word I wrote here, general purpose. Using Python, we can develop any kind of application. Means any client business requirement, we can provide the solution in Python. If client is related to Windows environment, if client is related to web environment, if client is related to scientific environment, client is related to mathematical related, client is related to machine learning related, there is a requirement, there is a solution in Python. So that is the reason Python right now general purpose. You can't say any other technology right now in the market general purpose. You never say this word. You can't say Java is general purpose. If you say like that, people will shoot because it's a specific purpose. But Python is global. It's elaborately, dynamically, it is there for us. Now, for example, I'm going why web development. In today's world, there are multiple choices to promote your business or skills and share your ideas. The trend of creating new website as a tool of business development is rapidly gaining momentum around the world. Correct. Why web development? What is that much important? In the last session, I made one point very clearly. No web, nothing. Think once. Everything nowadays virtual. Last 2 years onwards in this pandemic situation, everything, every communication smoothly we are doing because of only web. Reaching audience 24/7, global market anywhere in the world. I hope you're understanding my points very clearly. Web is very powerful. Web is much simplified. This great web environment level Django is doing wonderful job. If you want to become a full stack Django or full stack Python programmer, it is a right time to you people. We are giving right placement to you people. Understand perfectly. Try to get the knowledge more perfectly. Okay. Right. Why web development after I'm giving? Why use Python for web development? There are n number of reasons why we need to select Python as web development. Reason number one, Python dead easy. Even normal school student can able to understand Python. I don't know many of people you heard this word or not. Already you people having prerequisites, minimum Python basics required. Minimum basics enough. You no need to do complete Python. You want to do Django course, minimum Python outlines you are having idea, enough. Okay. Dynamically build web applications, correct? Python is a server-side programming. That is the reason we can develop dynamic websites. So dynamic web development is very easy. At the same time, why Python having less lines of code? Because more functions, more libraries. Perfect language to building prototypes. What a terminology, my dear. You want to develop some kind of blueprints, you can use Python as a perfect language. Great flexibility. Try to understand once again clearly. Great flexibility. What is the meaning of flexible? Flexibility is nothing but we can say one word here. What is the meaning of flexibility? Is nothing but I can say any kind of web application we can develop. Any kind of Windows application we can develop. I'm talking about the Python flexibility, because why we are using Python for web development. So like great flexibility, we can develop any kind of business related applications, maybe e-commerce related, or for example, what should I say, sports related, banking related, insurance related, financial related, diagnosis related, education related, video related, and I can say image related. All these are graphics related. That is the reason I can say Python great flexibility. A lot of useful frameworks. Whatever the frameworks in Python existed, those many number of frameworks no other technology contains. There are the number of frameworks available right now in Python. Provides quick processing. Perfect. Quick processing. The word you need to understand, the provides quick processing. It's fast, simple, and perfect. Then I'm giving what is web framework. Before I'm talking about a web framework, let me speak first about what is framework. In the last session already I spoke to you guys. Just I'm taking a backup session, like first 10 minutes I'm giving one overview about demo 1. Today is the demo 2 for you. Okay, what is a framework? Framework is a platform to develop software applications effectively, efficiently, within the less time, with less budget. That is framework. These frameworks are classified into different types. Maybe web frameworks, Windows frameworks, scientific frameworks, mathematical related. In that one, we selected today web application related frameworks or web frameworks. Web framework is a platform to develop web applications more effectively, including web services and web resources and web APIs also available here. And after that, I'm moving forward to Python web frameworks. Python having a big list of web frameworks, like micro web frameworks, full stack web frameworks. What is a micro web framework? To refer, it is completely what we can say web application frameworks level, suitable to develop small applications. What kind of examples we are having here? That is called Flask is unbelievable. Flask is really super and a bumper hit web framework in the mini level, because externally we are adding whatever the database backend we required. But I'll cover in this batch the introductory part of Flask framework, how this Flask is doing wonderful things. Definitely we can see full stack web frameworks. Full stack web frameworks contains mainly 3 components. One is a front end, another one is a back end, another one is that's it, front end, back end, middle is in the back end level available. And in this full stack web environment level, super framework means Django. Don't call as Django, Django you can call. Okay, so Django is very powerful framework. Already my videos existed in Naresh IT channel. If anybody interested, please go to Naresh IT channel to watch my videos. Choosing a better framework. How to select a better web framework or better library? How we are going to select that? Depends on features, depends on compatibility, depends on simplicity, depends on lightweight. So there are many points in the real-time industry we are going to observe. Based on all these points, we are going to select a framework. The world of Python web frameworks provides lots of choices. Some of the prominent frameworks to consider are Django, like Flasko, Bottle, Diesel, Web2Py, Pyramid, and Falcon, Pecan. Almost all these frameworks ultimate. But according to features and lightweight, Django is the best. What is Django? It is Python's MVT web framework. Please remember that one. It is Python's MVT web framework. What is Python's MVT web framework? Model view template. Model view template. It is a free open source full stack Python web framework. Please try to understand the terms very clearly. It is a free and open source web application framework written in Python. It is maintained by DSF, Django Software Foundation. But these many big words doesn't require. Simply the short word you can use MVT. Model view template. Model is nothing but backend database. View is nothing but logical part in Django level. Template is the UI part, is nothing but front end. So this is about Django. And after that one, history of Django. Django level, there are n number of definitions available. We don't want. We need a perfect definition which is already existed in clear manner. This is my definition. This is my definition. Python, general purpose programming, MVT, model view template. Model means backend database. View means logical point where we are developing Python coding. Template is nothing but a front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Web is nothing but a collection of electronic resources. Framework is a platform to develop software applications more effectively. I hope you understood. This is a perfect definition. If anybody question what is Django, Django is Python's MVT web framework. Perfect definition. So what I studied, what I understood, what I'm working, the definition I provided here to you. And after that one, this is today new component. Today I'm starting a new component is nothing but history of Django. Django was created by two web developers, Adrian and Simon, working at the Lawrence General World newspaper in 2003. Actually, they developed a web framework, these two members, Adrian and Simon, in 2003. Later, they released publicly in 2005 with the BSD license, Berkeley Software Distribution. Later, they dedicated to one famous guitarist is called Django Reinhardt. And web framework renamed as Django. This is what exactly history behind the scenes. This is not a mango or this is not something. This is Django. Django is a famous guitarist in United States of America. So these Adrian and Simon lovers of guitar. That is the reason they dedicated to his famous guitarist. Once they dedicated, then web framework renamed as Django. Django having number of versions. Complete name is a Django Reinhardt. Whose name? That guitarist name. Okay. Right. Django versions are there, number of versions. You want to see all the versions in Django environment area. You people need to understand some of the points very clearly. What are the points you people need to observe? Just go to once you are entering inside into that and djangoproject.com. Just go to djangoproject.com. Then you are getting complete details. Observe here. Complete details. Django makes it easier to build better web apps more quickly with less code. And you want to see another great definition. You can observe the web framework for perfectionists with deadlines. The web framework, observe, for perfectionists with deadlines. This is very important point, guys. You people need to understand perfectly and more simplified manner. Okay. So this is very important point we need to understand. And after that, there are the big points available here. Get started with Django. And this latest version is 4.0 version available. Industry never use latest version. Please remember every guy. Industry always using one version backward or two versions backward. Industry never ever use it because every latest version is trial and error type. Every latest version is trial and error type. Please, you people need to remember all these points. Okay. Now, when you come down, there are get started with the Django level. Once you are clicking, they're taking you people into inside. Get started with Django. I'm not showing any installation part right now. And there are number of points available. So before I'm going to all those points here and some kind of introductory part, we can try to observe Django overview. Just once you are clicking Django overview, why Django? Django was invented to meet fast moving newsrooms deadlines while satisfying the tough requirements of experienced web developers. What more you required, my dears? What a powerful definitions all these are. What more you required, you can tell me about Django. Such a powerful and simplified definitions. With Django, you can take web applications from concept to launch in matter of hours. Oh my God, in matter of hours. One login page you want to develop in Django, it is a matter of just minutes. One registration page, just matter of minutes. But in other technologies, it's matter of days or hours. Please remember that one. Django takes care of much of the hassle of web development. So you can focus on writing your app without needing to invent. See, they're given the number of features ridiculously fast. What a feature, my dear. Ridiculously fast. The word you can understand. Django was designed to help developers take applications from concept to completion as quickly as possible. If you're developing web applications by using Django, definitely you are reaching the ultimate things. Definitely you are reaching ultimate things. Please remember the words here. Ridiculously fast. Django was designed to help developers take application from concept to completion as quickly as possible. Right. And second point, you need to observe fully loaded. All kinds of features perfectly existed here. Django includes dozens of extras you can use to handle common web development tasks. Django takes care of user authentication, content administration, site maps. There are many things. Whatever a real-time developer required to develop a live project, all kinds of components completely existed in Django. It is fully loaded, completely existed environment available here. After that, we can say reassuringly secure. When you are coming about the security, security is the major component for web applications. Where weakness available, number of hackers are going to attack that website. That is a reason security is the major component here. Django takes security seriously and helps developers to avoid many common security mistakes, such as a SQL injection. I'll show you in upcoming days what is a SQL injection. Cross-site scripting. Yes, I'll show you practically. Cross-site request forgery. Yes, I'll show you that one also. And clicking. Its user authentication system provides a secure way to manage user accounts and passwords. So security-wise and simplicity-wise, Django is very powerful. Django is much and more simplified. So reassuringly secured. This point is very important. After that, exceedingly scalable. What exactly the meaning of exceedingly scalable? Okay, for example, we developed a website for a few members. A few members in the sense, for example, maybe 100 members, 1,000 members, or 10,000 members. But over a period, luckily, website is very popular. Luckily, website is very popular under heavy traffic. If you're thousands of people and lakhs of people also hitting under heavy traffic level, also it is giving super performance and a perfect working capability. Incredibly versatile. What should I say? All-rounder. By using Django, we can develop different kinds of web applications like marketing related, e-commerce related, sorry, banking related, insurance related, education department related. All these things we can able to develop more and more perfectly. Okay, so these are a few features. I'm not giving many features. These are very few features which are highly recommended with only Django. So security wise, selection wise, and development wise, simplicity wise, lightweight framework is nothing but Django. So such a nice and simplified framework is nothing but Django, and this is very powerful. Right, so these are the points I made already very clearly here. And in this one, I'm entering into what is a full stack, what is web, what is library, what is framework, what is web framework, popular stacks, types of Python web frameworks, like that many words existed here in a simplified manner. We'll try to observe all these words. What that one? So up to here, hope you people are clear. Practically all these features in upcoming days we can see, not only just the theory part. Okay, right. What is a full stack? I don't know how many you people had this name. Nowadays, full stack is a big demand right now in the market. Right now, full stack is big demand in the market. Any of you guys heard the name full stack? Please ping in the chat box quickly if you heard that one. Any of you guys heard the name full stack? Come on, come on. Yes, full stack is very powerful terminology nowadays. Frequently, we are using this full stack name. What exactly the meaning of full stack? It is a combination of front end and back end technologies, where we are using front end and background technologies. Is only we are calling all rounder, and we are saying is ninja developers, NINJ, ninja developers, ninja programmers. Maybe you heard this name also, either ninja developer or ninja programmer name also we did. Okay, right. Anyway, so now I'm entering into the words of all these things. Yeah, that I'll discuss with you. That I'll discuss with you what is Node.js, what is Angular, other things, but you need to understand it. Okay. No problem. Dheeraj, peacefully you can try to listen the sessions. Okay. And let me complete first demo sessions, then we'll talk to you. Right. What is a full stack? What is a full stack? It is a combination of front end plus back end technologies. Please remember, everyone. Front end and back end technologies combination is we are calling as a full stack. What is web? A collection of electronic resources is called web. Collection of electronic resources is called web. Father of web is Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Please remember, everybody. What is it? Next one. What is a library? I don't know how many you guys heard the name. A library is collection of pre-compiled, very important words, pre-compiled resources. So this is very important here. Pre-compiled resources. Nowadays, a library is very popular right now in the Python. Maybe you heard the names or not, I don't know. I'll give some library names also for you. So these libraries really doing ultimate from Python. Okay. After that one, there is another big word. I discussed with you already, framework. What is a framework? It is a platform. It is a platform to develop software applications more effectively. That's it. More effectively. What is web framework? It is a platform to develop. Web applications. So web applications more efficiently. So I'm using powerful words because Django is like that. Okay. What are the popular stacks right now in the industry? The number one place in the popular stacks, you know, Django. Python full stack. Python full stack we are calling, my dears. What we required in the Python full stack level, you know, Python we required, and JavaScript I'm teaching, and I'm giving HTML, I'm giving CSS, and what do we required here? Django. This is Python full stack. It is a number one place. After that one, nowadays, maybe you heard the name Mernstar. What is the meaning of that one? MongoDB. MongoDB is M meaning. Express.js, E meaning React.js, React.js, R meaning, and N is Node.js. Sometimes people are calling mean stack. Stack means fully loaded ideas. And what more available here also? MongoDB. After that one, Express.js. After that one, Angular. After that one, Node.js. Ultimate, my dears, all these popular stacks, many stacks available. Number one stack right now in the industry is Django full stack web framework. That is only Python full stack we are calling. Python full stack means including Django will come and join with us here. So that is popular stacks right now in the industry. Okay. Anyway, so hope you people are getting perfectly the words right. Come down and types of web frameworks. Correct. You people need to understand there are different types of frameworks are there in Python programming. In Python, um, in Python, there are two types of frameworks. There are two types of frameworks. What are available? First one, okay. I'm giving micro web frameworks. Micro web frameworks or mini frameworks we are calling. Here, most important one is a Flask. Flask is really ultimate. Another one means body. I know these very well. Okay, another one is full stack web frameworks. This is ultimate, my dear. This is ultimate. So full stack level, what are the resources mainly existed? Full stack means what? Complete all around HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and front end level, whatever the things are there, front end level, okay, and back end level, whatever you required, back end level also. And what available? Django plus Python plus one database. This is full stack. So I hope you are understanding what exactly the meaning of backend and what exactly meaning of front. And I'm giving for you another one. I'm giving Bootstrap also. Nowadays, Bootstrap related web development is people are asking more because Bootstrap is perfectly web, mobile web support existed here. Perfectly mobile web support available. That is the reason Bootstrap also most important area. So finally, how many types of frameworks are there? Two types of frameworks. One is a micro, another one is a full stack web frameworks. Okay. Hope you guys are getting all the points perfectly in a simplified manner. After that, already I thought to you, what is Django? Simple word. So what I said, Django definition, Django is Python's MVT web framework. Super. Ultimate terminology this is. Anybody question. So if you are giving this kind of perfect definition, you are the unbelievable and perfect. Django is Python's MVT web framework. Python already said programming. MVT is nothing but model view template. And web is nothing but a collection of electronic resources. Framework is nothing but platform. Okay, I'm giving here Python. It is programming. And next one, MVT is model means backend. Correctly observe everyone. Model backend and view. View is nothing but logical part. So here we are writing completely Python only. And I'm giving template. Template is nothing but UI part. This is nothing but front end. This is nothing but front end. Okay. These are the parts available in MVT. So web available. Collection of electronic resources is called web. Super. What is framework? Every word perfectly, my dear. Framework. It is a platform. It is a platform to develop web applications more effectively. More effectively. Please understand, it is a platform to develop web applications more effectively. What a definition, my dear. Ultimate. So words you can remember. What is Django means, you can try to answer this one. Definitely you are getting unbelievable information from here. After that one, already I thought just now, history of Django. History of Django. What is history? Yes, I said already two members developed actually. Who are the two members developed this Django? Already I provide Adrian and Simon. So these are the two members developed. Okay, I'm writing. Adrian and Simon Willison. These two members actually developed. Initially, its name is what? Django name? Initially, it is, anybody? Web framework. Web framework. Okay. Later these programmers dedicated to a famous guitarist. I think already I'm saying all these words many times. I said guitarist. Guitarist. Okay. A famous guitarist. Who is that one? A famous Django Reinhardt. I said already. Okay. Please remember the words perfectly. They dedicated to Django Reinhardt. They renamed as Django. So initially its name is Web Framework. Later these programmers dedicated a famous guitarist is Django Reinhardt. So then renamed as Django Framework. Django Web Framework. Please remember. Django Web Framework. Super. Ultimate. So you got finally word here, how the things you are going to do here. Okay. After that one, some Django features mainly I discussed with you. There are many features available. Some Django level features already I discussed with you. What are the features Django level I discussed with you? Let's come to live environment. The first feature I said ridiculously fast. Please understand this feature. And the second point is fully loaded. There is no issue. And third point I need to take one is reassuringly secure. And fourth one is I provided exceedingly scalable. I'll show you practically once session started, and incredible versatile. Really, these features, my dears, ultimate Django level. These many features, no other technology, no other framework providing, guys. I don't know. See, once you join in the session, I'm teaching these many things practically, means the in-depth of the things I'm providing, and you are understanding the things theoretically, no problem. These all I'll show you practically, point to point, everything practically will do, and project also will do on that one. Ridiculously fast, fully loaded, reassuringly secured, exceedingly scalable, incredible versatile. What more you required, my dears? Mind-blowing English language points available there. Okay, so all these are simplified manner existed. So Django overview just completed, but you need to remember Django. What are the websites in Django? What are the websites in Django? Yeah, I'll show you a big picture on that one. Definitely, you are getting a great picture. Come on. What are the websites in Django? Mind blowing, you people. Observe correctly. Which websites build on Django level? Many more recently entered, including NASA. Please remember that. Don't underestimate the Django. Very powerful, very powerful. Even you people in a position to need to understand the things clearly. More clearly in a simplified manner. Things are clear and simplified manner. And things you are getting. Observe here, what are the points I'm going to discuss? HTML level, CSS level, and Bootstrap level, and JavaScript related, all the things you can. Okay, so full stack. So you are going to learn full stack environment of the Django. Okay, anyway, this is completely full stack environment. I'm giving the things here. Right, so what are the websites build? Already shown to you. The big list I provided here. So I think I no need to provide again. Instagram, Mozilla Firefox, Pinterest, NASA, Onion, Bitbucket. There are n number of things available. There are many websites. There are many websites built on Django. That's it. Right. After that one, I need to discuss actually web related. Before we are entering into Django, what are the prerequisites I said? What are the prerequisites here? Python. So after Python, you need to learn because at least Python basics. At least Python basics. So HTML I need to discuss, CSS I need to, JavaScript I need to, Bootstrap I need to. So complete batch available. We are provided the link to you. So you can join HTML and CSS JavaScript batch also with the free of cost. So there I'm discussing all these points with you guys. Right, guys, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. All these resources available here, okay? Right, one by one, things are very powerful here, very simplified here. I hope you guys understood every point. More clearly in a more simplified manner. So first, and almost you are in this area, and demo 3 onwards, what you are going to teach, what you are going to start, demo 3 onwards, I'm going to start the things 27, and that is tomorrow onwards. What I'll give you tomorrow onwards, I'm starting my ideas. What is web? Please remember, we are entering into completely. What is W3C? Very important, because without web knowledge, Django you can't do. And what is internet? Many points I need to discuss with you. And what is online? So web mails and emails also I need to discuss with you. Okay, web mails and emails also you need to discuss with you. And after that one, protocol I need to discuss with you. After that one, I'm giving many points, don't worry about that one. SMTP. After that one, I'm providing mime. See, many words I'm entering into here. URL I'm going to, URI I'm going to, URN I'm going to. So now I'm giving all these resources, no problem. After that one, HTTP and HTTPS. Many points in the web level I need to discuss with you. Okay, so we are entering into introduction to HTML. So this is the concept in the demo 3 level. Please guys, the same link available, you no need to worry about anything, but you people need to understand the resources perfectly. Slowly I'm taking step by step you people into a deep Django level. Every point you will understand perfectly, no doubt in that one, no compromise. Okay, but you people understand what I'm providing. Understand what I'm providing. In-depth Django. Django interview questions, reviews, assignments, and marks. And I'm providing Django certification information, dumps, all the things. Resume preparation for freshers, experienced and working professionals. Get it? Total duration of the course. Every point. Course timings. And weekly 5 days. Including course fee. Videos available, without videos available. Properly. Very serious batch it is. That is the reason I said perfect placement assistance. Complete real-time live use cases. And I provided here a full stack web programmer. You want, your goal is Python full stack web programmer, 100% is ready for you. 100% it is ready for you. No doubt. For new batches information. Okay, and you want to contact administrative manager related to this, you can contact. They're providing complete information to you regarding course. Okay, and all the details. After that one, today Demo 1 overview I provided. Demo 1 overview I provided. What is Python? Why web development? Why use Python for web development? What is web framework? Python web frameworks, choosing better framework. What is Django? Everything I provided. After that, today in demo 2 level, many points, many reality points I provided to you, whichever you required, highly configured. What that one? So first point is history. After that one, Django features. What is a full stack? It is a combination of front end and back ends. What is web? Electronic resources. What is library? Executable file. What is a framework? Platform. What is web framework? Web platform. Popular full stacks. Python full stack, Mern full stack, means mean stack, Mern stack. Number 1 worldwide Python full stack. After that one, types of Python web frameworks. Then after that one, what is Django? Python level 2 frameworks available, 2 types of frameworks. One is micro framework, another one is a full stack frameworks. Then I entered into what is Django. Django, powerful Python's MVT web framework. History of Django, Adrian and Simon. Initially, it is web framework. Django features ridiculously fast, fully loaded, reassuringly secure, exceedingly scalable, incredibly versatile. Please remember that. So what are the websites in Django? There are many websites built on Django. I shown a big list. What are the prerequisites for this one? Python basics. I'm starting tomorrow onwards. Web environment, demo 3 onwards, we are completely moving into web environment area. How much you are stronger in the web, that much you will be strong in Django level. Please remember this word. How much you are strong in the web environment level, that much you are strong in your Django level. Because no web, there is no meaning of Django. So Django is a web framework. Again and again, you people need to remember. So tomorrow onwards, we are entering into perfectly web environment area. So I hope you guys understood demo 1 and demo 2 perfectly. And we are entering into demo 3. Do you have any technical queries? Please put in the chat box. Thank you for attending such a great session. And you people are getting tomorrow onwards more practical oriented sessions. Thank you. Good night, everyone. You have anything, please question me here. I'll be there another 30 minutes. I'll be here. Okay. Up to 10:25. I'll be here. Thank you. Come on, guys. How the session, how the things you people understood? Come on, everyone. Please ping in the chat box. Very good. You are doing. Yes, you can. Anisha, you can. Happily, you can do that. Thank you, Prasad. Django development can be done in Visual Studio. Yes, various IDs I'm using. Don't worry. All are same. Programming is important in the IDE, nothing available. Okay. Right. Yes, definitely, Rohini. Yesterday you asked me, I said yes. Already, Naveen, you questioned me, I said yes. SQL, I'm giving MySQL, SQLite also. Definitely, Rohini. Okay. Version control system. What is GitHub? Try to watch my videos, Rohini. I'll provide you through Google Classroom. Every notes you are getting like this. Just go to our Google Classroom environment. You are getting every resource like this. Just go there, and I'm opening in front of you my Google Classroom. You can observe every resource we are posting like this. Just observe here. Every resource we are posting like this. Don't worry about that. Every resource we are posting like this. Observing every resource. Dheeraj. All the resources we are giving, these resources perfectly forever available. Whatever you require, just click on the class. You can go inside, and we are giving lots of resources, documents, PDF, PPT, interview questions, certifications, everything streaming available, classwork available. How many people we are assigning the grades, we're giving the placements. Don't worry. Okay, there is a big plan existed. Next one, sir, you want to become a full stack web developer, fulfill. Okay, yes, definitely, Padmesh. Which ID? Number of IDs are there, don't worry. For Python, which database is suitable? All databases suitable. Perfect means right now I'm using MySQL and MongoDB. Yes, HTML, JavaScript required, and join for PM. And yes, I'll inform to you, Anisha. Don't worry. Is introduction part of enough REST API? Yes, enough means if you are giving experience, you need to learn completely Venkat. Okay, the batch will be started separately. Yes, included in this class, Amar Raja. Yes, I'll teach basics here, advanced in a separate batch. I'll give you different ideas. Vishnuvardhan, don't worry about the ideas. Where the resources available in Django classes, will provide soon link. Which database in Django? I said MySQL already. Yes, we are teaching. After completing the course, can you apply full? Yes, definitely. Padamesh, provide the HTML. Definitely, I'll provide you soon. I'm continue full stack .NET and already 4 p.m. and you can question that one, Imansh. Okay. So presently you're working with okay teaching and 2 years and entire. I feel